Hello farmers, welcome to Addota Farm. It's a beautiful afternoon, and in this video I want to explain on how you could start a grass cutter farm. I want to explain on how to start a grass cutter farm. We normally have this belief as Nigerians, we being Nigerians, we normally have this belief that grass cutter are only meant for the village hunters alone. Like they will set trap for them and they'll catch them from the bush and start selling them. But we didn't know that grass cutter business has a lot of profit in it. In short, it has very huge amount of money in grass cutter. If a matured grass cutter, which is me, weigh up to 4.5 kilogram, you could you can sell that male grass cutter around 25,000 or 30,000 thereabout. So grass cutter has a lot of profit in it. So to start and run a successful grass cutter, there are some steps that you could take. If you take this step very correctly, then you can run a successful grass cutter farm. One step that you need to know is make a business plan. Make your grass cutter business plan. In this aspect, you need to sit down, strategize all your business plan, then you run a successful grass cutter business. In that aspect, you just know how much one grass cutter could cost you, then how much that you are going to spend in their feeding, in their drugs and every other things. You need to know them correctly before you could start running a successful grass cutter farm. Why number 2 is construction of the grass cutter's house. Although it depends on the allowance of the house that will determine how your grass cutter will multiply. If they have a good house, then I think there will be space for them and they will multiply very well for you. But if you build just a small house for them, the house will affect them because there wouldn't be enough space and ventilation for air to come inside the house for the grass cutter. Why number 3 is varieties of grass cutter. If you are thinking on how to start up a grass cutter farm, then after constructing the house, make your good business plan, then varieties of grass cutter. After buying the grass cutter, you need to buy the grass cutter, which you need to buy them as in the male must be bigger than the female. The male must weigh about 4 to 5 kilogram weight. By that time, the male is already matured to mate the female. So you could start and run a successful grass cutter farm. Why number 4 is gestation period of grass cutter. Grass cutter gestation period is 152 days. In that 152 days, your grass cutter is ready to give birth to young ones. So by that time, they are already matured and they are ready to give birth to young ones. Why number 5 is harvesting of the grass cutter. Harvesting of the grass cutter. If you see that your grass cutter has already matured and you wait and you see their weight is up to 4.5 kilogram, which is the male, and the female 3.5 kilogram, then at that time they have reached maturity state. By that time, you could start selling your grass cutter. The market for it is very, very good, and they are going to buy it from you because it has a lot of money in it. Once again, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop our new videos. Please kindly like our videos and share.